up, YouTube? It's been a minute, but on my way to work on that Monte Carlo that I've been posting. Get y'all an update. I got a few things to do. Got a oil pressure switch, radiator cap, some wires. I need to put some more transmission fluid in it. Throttle return spring. It's just a bunch of minor stuff to give y'all an update. And hopefully try to get a first test drive today. Alright, keep y'all posted. That's what I did for to keep the original gauge working on the Monte Carlo, the LS swap. So I went with, so this is what comes factory. This is a factory part that you can buy for the 86 Monte Carlo, any G body that has that single blade terminal right there. So what I did was I got an adapter to go from the size of the LS oil pressure switch to convert it to the size of the original oil pressure sensor that came on the factory engines. So I just put the adapter in there and then screwed in the sensor and then plugged in the wire. Still gotta bleed the power steering. It's still a little tight. Clean up some wires, like the wires I'm not gonna need. Clean those up. I still gotta get a fan. I got a new G-body radiator. That's what I put in here. We're gonna have to change out his heater core to run the lines because this has that the green antifreeze, and you don't want to mix those. So I just ran a runaround hose on the water pump to bypass the heater core for now. It's still messed up. Like I say, it's wires everywhere. It's almost done, other than how it looks. Like the wires, it's gonna look a lot better when it's complete. But I just wanted to make sure everything worked, get everything going. Truck hose, radiator top. The upper radiator hose is a truck hose. Any V8 with the Gen 3 engine, I got the truck upper hose. Lower hose for the radiator, I got it off of I want to say Amazon. I think that's 20734. It fit perfect from the lower hose to the water pump thermostat right there. It fit perfect. I got shorty headers, or they're supposed to be headers, but they're, I guess, exhaust manifolds, but they're considered headers to fit the G-body. Still got to get the exhaust hooked up. I ran the fuel pump fuse here, and then this is for the MSD. So I just got those two relays right there. Got the MSD mounted on the actual intake. So that's where we at right now. It's an update. It's been a while, but we still working. And it's how hot it is, but you can see I'm out here drenched. Still, if y'all seen my other videos, I had cam swap this. This is running, it's almost done. Got a few things left to do, like a bed cover. I'm gonna do a cover, spray it all black in here. I'm gonna get a hood scoop to go on here as well, and finish up the exhaust. Then I got the next project, which I don't know. I know what I want to do, but I don't know what car I want to put it in yet. But this the 0.0 that I'm gonna be tearing down as soon as these two cars are gone. Be tearing this one down. It's gonna be either a stroker or LSA. Either 408 stroker, or I'm gonna do a LSA supercharger. That's the plan. But once again, I don't know what car I'm gonna put it in yet. I might just build it up and just keep it tucked away until I find something to put it in. But that's the plan with that. With the Monte Carlo, we got a few more things to do. But it's getting there. I like it that even though it's a carburetor, you still just turn the key. That's it.
Later.